chitty, baby, I'm hot like the prodigal son. Pick up Bartolini, meeny, miny, mo, and flower, you're the chosen one. Till your left hand's free and your right hand.
Hey man, we just want to thank you for coming down again. We really appreciate you allowing us to question you again. So we were just curious, so what happened on Wednesday last week?
Well, you know, like all Wednesday nights, me and my friend Benedict.
I love Benedict.
Yeah, we went down to the bar, you know?
Excuse with the boys, yeah.
Yeah, it was just, you know, a casual Wednesday night, just had a few drinks. You know, you can ask Benedict about it. And then we headed on home, and Manuel was just there lying on the ground. Grace was sobbing. We tried to help her, but Manuel was too far gone. He was dead when we came home, and, you know, like, we didn't know what to do, so, you know, we kind of got scared. We just got spooked.
Alright, well that's terrible. We were gonna order some sandwiches if you like ham and cheese. I think Jim's making them.
I'm actually a vegetarian.
Alright, we can make it with like just cheese, maybe mustard or something.
Extra mustard,
Yeah,
please.
Jim! Alright, so we talked to Benedict, and he doesn't seem to know what you're talking about.
Yes, we do. Every Wednesday night, we go to the bar together.
I don't know, the bar doesn't know who you are either.
I swear, I'm telling you the truth. Just get my lawyer. She'll explain all.
No, we don't need that. We don't need that.
She'll explain all of it, please.
No,
Please, I just
we
want
can
to see
take
her.
care of this, just me and you, sir. We'll figure this out.
I just want my lawyer.
Nope, not today. So you killed your brother-in-law, huh?
I told you on Wednesday.
I don't care, punk! Shut up! I'm sorry, I came off a little strong there. So there was obviously a little bit of a mix-up, possibly, and but you're our main suspect. But I think you did it.
I have rights. Where is my lawyer?
Right. Shut up!
I told you.
Shut up! Did you do it?
No.
One. Tell me, damn it!
We finna have a problem if you don't let me in here.
That's my lawyer. Let her in. I have rights.
That's my client. Let me talk to him.
Look, lady, this is official police business. Get the hell out of here. But I have a taser now, so.
I told you. I'm innocent.
No.
No. Whoa. Officer, you've hit me. You've whipped me. You've tased me. What more could you possibly do? I've told you everything.
Oh, there's more.
Alright, perp, it's the end of the line. Here we go for a tropical vacation.
Fine. I'll tell you everything. Here's what happened. He hit my sister. For years now, she came home with bruises. I was sick and tired of it. She came to me, she complained, she cried. What are you supposed to do? She's your sister. Of course I had to help her. So I took justice into my own hands. I got fed up, and finally one night, after a night of drinking, I snapped. I finally snapped and got rid of him. I was tired of it, and I'll do anything to make this stop. Please stop hitting me. Please let me go. I'm sorry I killed him, but I had to do it. I'm now confessing. I, Daniel Escobedo, shot and killed Manuel Valteria.
Under the Sixth Amendment, my client has a right to counsel, and he was denied that privilege. Anything he said should be inadmissible in court. Under duress, he confessed, and it was not a legal confession. He did not know he had the right to remain completely silent because I was not allowed in there. As soon as the investigation was narrowed down to one suspect, I should have been allowed in there to provide legal support.
I got a question for you, big man. So you're telling me everyone deserves a lawyer, regardless if they're being interviewed by the police or not? Because the Sixth Amendment says that you only need a lawyer in criminal proceedings. And by the way, I'm dressed today! It's a criminal proceeding! Why are you laughing? Are civil liberties funny to you? Are they? Because guess what? that confession that the police did was a solid one. They were doing their jobs. They were trying to take crime off the street, just like you are by doing this, Judge. Okay? So, if you want to make the right choice, which I highly recommend, you need to say that, take this confession for what it is, which is good police work.
The question here is, does the police denying the assistance of counsel violate the 6th Amendment made obligatory upon the states by the 14th Amendment? Gideon v. Wainwright makes any incriminating statement elicited by the police during the interrogation inadmissible. The petitioner testified that he asked for and was denied the ability to speak to his lawyer, and police testimonies confirm this story. The interrogation here was conducted before the petitioner was formally indicted. It's argued that people given counsel before being indicted are much less likely to provide a confession.
In Messiah v. United States, the court held that the accused are guaranteed the right to counsel on the date of indictment. The court now moves that date back to the time when the prosecution begins focusing on a suspect. The decision is thus another major step in the direction of the goal, which the court seemingly has in mind, to bar from evidence all admissions obtained from an individual suspect of crime, whether involuntary made or not. The new American judge's rule, which is to be applied in both federal and state courts, is perhaps thought to be a necessary safeguard against the possibility of extorted confessions. I do not suggest for a moment that the law enforcement will be destroyed by the rule announced today. The need for peace and order is too insistent for that, but it will be crippled.
Under our system of federal justice, an indictment and arraignment are followed by a trial, at which point the Sixth Amendment guarantees the defendant the assistance of counsel. The Constitution guarantees the accused the right to counsel at the time of the trial, not during interrogation. The confession that the court now holds inadmissible was a voluntary one, given during the course of a perfectly legitimate police investigation of an unsolved murder. As with my brothers, I share the views as to the untold and highly unfortunate impact today's decision may have upon the fair administration of criminal justice. I can only hope that we have completely misunderstood what the court has said.
We won! Woo! USA! USA! Oh!
We're fine.
For Jackie, 159, 160, 161.
And she's calling a cab while he's having a smoke. And she's taking a drag. I can't do it. In bed, and my stomach is sick. And it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress.
Hey yo, Uncle, he's gonna die.
Alright, that's too much.
And I just can't look. It's killing me. And taking control. Jealousy turning saints into the sea. Swimming through sick lullabies. Choking on your eyes.
Wait, you know a lot about law because you're sitting in that chair. And you're telling me cops ain't supposed to get an answer? You want an answer. If you did the crime, you gotta do the time. If you did the crime, you better confess. Because guess what? We want an answer. You know? Oh, this is a serious debate. Okay. I'm saying, you got the justice system. If everyone deserves a lawyer, does everyone deserve a Maserati? No. Everyone doesn't deserve a Maserati.